Fit eventually. This tool is useful to enlarge the size of the object by 120%. Here you can see some objects. Suppose we want to make this object 120% larger than its actual size. If you want to enlarge the object manually, you have to do it one by one. Using this function, we can change all objects at once. Select one object. If we want to enlarge the object 20%, we will add 120% here. Here you can see the object is 120% enlarged. Now we will select this object, and then select the remaining objects, and press Fit Eventually button. Here you can see it has enlarged all the objects 20%. If we change manually, do it one by one. Using this tool, we can make the object smaller or larger with any fixed size.